Welcome back. Hopefully you've watched the previous videos on the basics of writing an FRQ for AP World History. The contents of this video, like some of the previous ones, can actually be applied to other similar AP courses as well, but today we're going to be taking a look specifically at citing and referencing evidence for AP World History. So in 9th grade English, you've probably learned about in-text citations, and in case you don't remember the concept clearly or you just haven't learned it before, here's how to do an in-text citation. By using our global warming example again, you can see that the format for an in-text citation goes in such order. You have your own writing or statement, and you include parentheses towards the end of that statement. Within the parentheses, you include the author's last name and the page number. In case there is no page number in the source that you are citing, you can just simply include the author's last name and end the citation with a period at the end after the parentheses. When referencing the same source again that you've previously done an in-text citation for, you actually only need to use the parentheses and mention the author's name again. You don't need to do the full citation. So, for example, in order to avoid further damage to our environment, lowering our carbon footprint by X% may be the best option we have, Lee 23. So, now you're probably wondering how to do an in-text citation, or just a citation for AP World History, or for any AP FRQ that you'll have to do in the future. You have two options. You can either reference the author's last name, or you can reference it by using the alphabet each source is assigned with. Or like the example provided over here, you can even directly reference it by saying in document 2, or something like that. Now's the most important part. Well, obviously, citing evidence is pretty easy once you get the hang of it, but you need to be able to use this evidence. This is a basic DBQ format for AP World History. The reason why I've paired two documents together to indicate two main points or one main point is because it's really ideal to use two documents or evidences to prove one point. If you can do more within the time that you have, then that's even better. This is so that you really send out your point across to the reader clearly. Using two sources also means that you are capable of finding a certain trend or pattern across different historical events. And, well, that's kind of the goal of AP World History. It's not to memorize simple events or just know that they happened and that they existed, but rather it's about finding a certain pattern to prove your point about a certain argument or a certain topic. And so, by combining, for example, document A and document B together and linking them with a certain commonality that they have to prove one of your main points, that shows that you have a very complex understanding of AP World History. Or you could even contrast two sources together. For example, maybe document X and document Y are two very different cases, but they prove your point. However you use these sources are up to you, but in general, again, using two sources to prove one point is quite ideal for pretty much any AP FRQ. And that's it. It's really not too hard to cite evidence for any AP FRQ, so long as you are familiar with the in-text citation method and how to do it. I'll see you next time.